screen. Very nice. This is almost identical to the other one. Look at this beautiful lobby. Look at that. That's so cool. I love that lantern. Look at that. I don't want to get copyrighted. Beautiful. Red, so I hope we're not blocked off. Okay, it's not. Weird. Alright, let's go up. I love these elevator lobbies. Are they different on every floor? Let's try 9. This whole office complex is so nice, other than the fact that I think these are closed after 5:30. Okay, yeah, they are. Oh, whoa, just whoa. Very nice. Let's try 8. That's locked. 7's locked. 6 is locked. Did the building just close? Yeah, that makes me wonder. I'll try again. Let me go back up. Lock cancel, banner resistant. I love looking at these lobbies though. Okay, pretty similar to the other one. Let's try 2. Oh, you can go back up to 2. So just all these floors are locked. That's interesting. That's what you need the badge for. I just love this whole, here, let me get a picture of that. That's super, super cool. Looks, other than that, pretty normal. I seriously need to get a picture of 2 cars with those lanterns lit up, because that is amazing. I just love this architecture. This whole office complex was built in 2008. That is a very rough stop. Go down. Hope you enjoyed. There's one additional thing with most office buildings. Where's the door? That is actually the service car, and you can access it. It's probably right here. Yep, here it is. Most office buildings have a specific elevator, specifically for deliveries. So that goes right to the loading dock. So here's the service corridor. I'm not going to take a full ride on this, but you can just take it down to the basement and back up. Take a photo of this lantern, and probably has padding on it. It does. Oh, can you access every floor? Let's do... Yeah, that's what I thought. Try basement rear. Oh, we can. See what opens up down here. interesting. This will be another exploration for another day. I can open up both doors. What's it got here? What does that door take?